Hello, my name is Camilo Andrés Martinez. Name is the movie Avatar. Synopsis. Avatar is magnificent and memorable. It's an action movie, science and fantasy. All with one with, of course, some romance. Avatar directed by James Cameron is 162 minutes of thrilling entertainment. The story takes place the month on Pandora. Weird-foot, tall, blue-skinned, humanoid-like creatures live in complete harmony. Pandora is rich in minerals and humans who have energy creeps on Earth have traveled to Pandora to conquer and mine minerals. Since humans cannot build in Pandora, they use Avatar wits to control. What did you read about the movie? It this the movie is learned the advance of immunity and in the different applications as the importance of love and perseverance in surgery, as while watching the best of each person. How did the advance movie show the field? The movie made the field and reconsidered something very important. The indifference were hit to the natives. When mouse value the mounts, the more saint they are instances of mutual wisdom. How does the film relate to the academic program study? He related chip that I find big with the program I decided to show to a student and the movie is the creation that is the math front and net, the different applications that and math in the movie we as engineers also applied them is the friends of the professionals life as new systems that high satisfaction to some need. Thank you.